Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your review about a campground on the Dyrt application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the plus icon down below and tap on add the review. Select the campground. You can use the search bar at the top, and here you should select the number of stars that you would like to rate this campground, and then you should add a title, so summarize it in a few words, and then you should type in the review itself into this box, select the month of visit and the site, then click on the next button down below. You can attach videos and pictures, click on the next button and tap on the save review button down below. Tap on continue and now you are done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.